So Tressie and I are back at Lake Eola, and we're gonna rent a Swan boat. We're just waiting our turn. Take a stroll around the lake in the Swan. Swan boat seating only here. You ever been in a Swan boat?
Not that I can recall.
Well, today's your lucky day.
Dang.
We're all paid up and waiting in queue. We're going Swan boating. Heading to the Swan. And we're off. Look at that. We're on the Swan.
That's going to fall in the water.
I gotta figure this thing out first.
It's going towards the dock.
No, I think you turned his butt. Okay. Okay, so
Went the wrong way.
we have to get this thing figured out. This, left is right, right is left. And I'm dyslexic, so this is not working out for me. Paddling the Swan.
Oh, it hurts my legs.
Yeah. Hey, buddy. We're gonna check out the fountain. It's a bubble. Alligator. Jaws. A shark. Is that where the last guy sunk? This Swan. Do not know. We're going around the backside of the fountain and heading back to the dock. This is hard work. My knees are old. And now we're going the wrong way. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're gonna get in trouble. Not supposed to go near the fountain. Uh-oh. Looks like a giant spaceship. Definitely get my workout. Yep. Feel the burn. Feel the burn. There's a door to get in the fountain. Yep. I think people live in there. About 15 minutes in. I'm beat. It's hot. I'm sweating. Gonna have to turn around and go back. I don't know if I could do it. I might have to call the Coast Guard. Just kidding. I got this. I got this. I got this. Rickety old Swan here. This guy's mad because there's no boats that look like him. He's out of here. This ain't my scene. All right, we got to make it over there in 8 minutes. Can we do it? All the way over here. Over there. All right, let's do this. Hold on here. Is the brake on? I think the brake's on. Almost back. 5 minutes to spare.
You didn't even take the workout.
And it's hot. Feel the sun burning. It was overcast for like the last 2 weeks, and now it's burning. It's like summertime, and it's November 20-something. All right, coming to the dock. This is over. I'm worn out. All right, until next time. That was a workout. Exit through the gift shop. There's no gift shop. Just kidding. That was fun. Worth doing at least once in your life.
I wouldn't do it in the dead of summer.
No. Or the dead of winter.
What do you think?
What's this guy think? He's mad because there's no boat that looks like him. Anyway, on to the next thing. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe and follow us and all that good stuff. See you in the next one. Bye.